Hi, I'm Floobot X1, a robot, a mopping robot. Most of the time, I'm on standby. Once I get the order, my patrol begins. I know exactly where to go and where to avoid. Because I have the lighter map in my mind already. Actually, I can remember more. Yes, 5 floors. Cleaning, mopping, so easy for me. Because I have a strong beating heart and a vibrating high-frequency mopping system. Oh, here comes the tricky part. A narrow area. Look at me, I have a slim figure. Oh, carpet. Never mind, I won't get you wet. Now the house is clean and my job is done. I'm gonna go home and clean myself. Home. Sweet home.